Alright, Naala. Ready for today? We're gonna do something fun today. Speaking of fun, Clover, what are we doing today?
We're going to head to the Lake Tabaree or something similar to that jetty and go do some fishing. And then,
Sorry.
what's after that?
Then after that, we're going to Ulladulla.
The Bush Salon.
The Bush Salon.
The Bush Hairdressing Salon.
Interesting fact about Ulladulla has been named after an Aboriginal word, but the meaning has been lost to time. The time. Yeah. We're gonna go do history walks and a fossil walk. We're gonna go see a lighthouse.
Are we?
Yeah. Yeah, we are. I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be a good day. And hopefully, you know, my wife might provide for this family by catching us some fish.
I wouldn't get your hopes up.
Right now people are getting a POV of me patting Naala. Huh?
It looks like a shiny fish on the bottom.
Ah, now it's mine. Ready? Oh, Naala, come! Naala, come! This way, good girl. Good girl. Whoopsies! Although, did you see her swim without hesitation? Not see them from the road. Okay. So we just stopped for lunch in a random place called Dolphin Point, and I think this is the most impressive beach I've ever been to in my life. On halloumi,
Taco meat.
halloumi and taco
Stick.
Where do we find it?
Found it buried in some seaweed. It's a little bit damp, but it's going to look really cool when it dries out. If Naala doesn't get a mouth on it.
Well, Naala, we're at the lighthouse. I hope it's cool. What do you think about the lighthouse, Clove?
It's
We're at the lighthouse.
really pretty and really ornate and really white.
Really white. Okay. Can't wait to see it.
You guys going for a walk along there?
We'll probably just go there.
Yeah, just a couple of little baby snakes along there.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Oh, it's alright.
Completed
Still
a
works.
triangle of lights necessary for sea navigation with Green Cape and Montague Island.
And it still works today. The light extends 28 kilometres.
Wow. Wow, it still works. It's still guiding ships along the south coast of New South Wales. That's cool.
It's just jamming.
I know it's just jamming yoga. It's amazing.
I'm just going to get some nuts.
Nuts. Okay. This is good. I get chunks of like
Black drops.
Me and Naala on our cultural walk. Because there's been snake sightings, so leave her in the car.
You want to come back and carry me?
Do you want to jump on or give you a piggyback?
I might pick you up on that.
Oh, do you want me to?
Yes.
Okay, hang on. Go. Oh, I'm ready. Oh god, this is a recipe for disaster, but okay.
Your idea.
I know it was my idea and I immediately regret this. Yuck, 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 yuck.
There's a guy who was walking past here before. He said they saw a couple of baby snakes on this walk.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Just be mindful.
Okay, thank you for that.
I nearly fell over. Darling, I think it is exactly what you thought it would be. Just a grass clearing with no information. Ulladulla has really missed an opportunity here to include some Aboriginal culture into the general life, you know, like a information board right here. It'd be really nice about, you know, the tribe that lived here, the culture, you know, the heritage, things like that. Really missed an opportunity. Back in the car. That was a interesting, not interesting walk. So Clover and I just spent the afternoon hanging out, really, just playing on our phones, whatever else. So now we're gonna go to bed, so we'll see everyone in the morning. Good morning, Naala. Today we're gonna go to a waterfall. We heard that this waterfall was pretty cool. The reviews on Google are quite good. So hopefully it's cool. Yeah, and yeah, it's been raining a lot. Our batteries are at 70%. That's pretty low for us. So we're on light rations. Alright, Naala, Clover. Yes. We're chasing waterfalls. We're on the road again. Oh, I just can't wait to be on the road again. Welcome to the Tianjara Falls. Someone say that it's definitely worth hiking down to the lower falls.
Oh, I wonder how you do that. Where's the path for that?
I don't know. Pick these up, like $3. Win. It's very peppery though.
It's a giant coffee. It doesn't look that big.
It is huge. Here we are at Blenheim Beach Reserve. Unfortunately, the only rain jacket that I have is fluorescent yellow. So, you know, got to embrace that. On the beach at Blenheim is Kookaburra. Hey, pal.
This would be here?
No. So we came to Blenheim Beach because it's one of the top 5 beaches in Jervis Bay. We definitely didn't expect it to look like this. I don't know if you can tell on the color, but some of this is like fluorescent pink and some of it's red. Might do a quick Google into what this is, but the beach is entirely covered in it. Beautiful beach too. It is very cool, nevertheless, if we didn't expect it to be like this, because how often do you see red and up there is bright pink seaweed? It's very cool. You can see it on this video. I'm going to try, but when the waves crash, it brings in more of the seaweed.
So something so majestical about a beach on a gloomy...
So we've just pulled up to the boat ramp to do some fishing because it's not a very good day today, And I'm afraid that the ocean might get us.
The tide is high.
The tide is high and it's eating away at the dirt. I'm just out here fishing. Got a little duck friend. What are we gonna name it? Jane. Huh? Clancy. Clancy the cormorant. Okay. Camp for the night. It's on the edge of a beautiful waterfall. It's empty, in the forest, edge of a waterfall. And you know what? There are this many people here, which never happens.